Hi everyone, myself Pratik. Today welcome you all for my jobs code series. So this is the video about how to pull the code from the GitHub repository. So with the help of Jenkins Job. So select a new item. So you can go for the freestyle project. So in the freestyle project you can able to select the name which you can see is git pull. So we are pulling the code from the GitHub actually. So you can select the freestyle project. So in the next job we will select the Maven project for the build process. This only I am demonstrating how to pull the code from the GitHub repository. Click on OK. So once after you click on OK, you will be popped up with this window. So in the description you can able to provide git pull from GitHub. So after that, so in the source code management, this is what I am interested in. So since we installed the git and the git plugin is already installed, so select the git. So you have to provide the URL of the which we created earlier. So this is the URL of the repository. Copy it. So this is the repository which we created and we pushed our source code into this repository. Select this and go for paste this repository URL. Next, it's going to ask for credentials. Select it none. Since it is a public repository, we don't require a credential to pull this. So next is what I want to do is that one of the important thing which you want to do is that it is in master. If if you want to run it in master itself, so the code which you are pulling it is in main. In the Jenkins job it is master by default. If you leave it default and click on apply and click on save, so after this when you click on build now, so you should be getting error like it's going to fail. So because the head is not going to match, actually the head here is the main, so here it is we mentioned it as master. So see, the build trigger is not going to be successful because the reason is that it couldn't able to pull it because it is pointing out to the master version actually. So what we can do is that, so go to the job, configure it. So like you have to edit this master to main. So when you click on main, so apply and save. So when you click on save, click on build now. So when you click on build process, so now the build process is triggered. So the next video and all, so we will just focus on how to build. So whenever any commit happens, how to build it, I'm going to show you that. So now the build process is successful. So you could able to see the build is successful. So the next thing what we want to do is that whenever any kind of a job which we created in Jenkins, so this is the directory where all the jobs will be located in the workspace directory. Even if you are using Linux also, so this is the directory where you want to search for workspace, so where the jobs will be located. So go to this, copy this and go for the directory. So copy paste and click on OK. So see here you could able to see all the source code which you pulled, right? So it is present here. What about I want to talk about this video. This is a job which I pulled a source code repository and we integrated it with the Jenkins and we pulled the code. So in the next video, so I'm going to show you how to automatically means whenever any commit happens in the Git, how it's going to trigger a build. So that I will going to show you in the next video. So thank you all guys for this video. So meet you up in the next video.